Hello everyone, this is Curtis with Weed Whacker Lawn Care. Hey, today is Wednesday and the weather's not looking good. Look like it's gonna rain. I don't know. It looks like it's gonna rain, but sometime or another. What I'm doing today is I'm trying to go and do some lawns, go out and visit some properties, give some estimates, all of that. It's busy today. Anyway, y'all know what? I'm gonna get me a helper today. I'm gonna see if I'm gonna see. Y'all know who I normally have, Cody. I get him to come out and help me. So let me see what he's doing today. Had him helping me there yesterday doing some stuff. And what's going on right now? I never know how many lawns I'm gonna end up taking, and never know some of the the conditions of the property, and some of these properties take a long time to mow. And so by having some help, that really helps you speed up. Let me call Cody right here. See him. Calling him.
Hello?
Cody, what's going on, man?
Nothing. I was about to call you.
Oh, okay. Hey, I'm gonna head down there. I got to get the trailer and everything. Just working on my list here, and trying to see what all I can get done today. Hopefully we don't get no rain here. Yeah.
We just have to push through it the rain.
You right about that. We gotta push through it, man. But okay, I'm finna stop and pick up the trailer, and I'll be there to pick you up.
Alright.
Okay then. All right. Bye-bye. All right, y'all. So we got Cody there. He's gonna help me there, and I'm finna go and pick him up and see if we can, get some lawns taken care of here today. It's one of these things you just never know. I mean, you never know how the weather's gonna behave and what's going on, but it's not looking real good out here. So hopefully, like you say, we may have to push through this rain, but we're gonna get some lawns taken care of today here. So let me go and see about getting this trailer so that I can get all of my equipment on there and get the mowers and trimmers and blowers, and go out here and try to have a good time today. That's what we're gonna do. Working to try to have a good time. I gotta hear something fall. What was that fell over back there? Something back there, toolbox. Yeah. But that's what I'm on my way to do. I hope everybody out there, y'all are having a good Wednesday, and getting ready for this lawn care season. It may be a good one, y'all. It may be a good one there. I know it's been a late start here. Getting into it because weather's just, winter conditions. I mean, that ice storm came through, so that really got me behind. But now it's bringing in some business because there's a lot of cleanups from old flowers and branches and stuff. People want their, they want to get all that stuff removed from their lawn. So that's what I've been doing, working on that. And that stuff, it takes time to do that. I mean, go in there and get those flower beds all right, of course, removing them and putting in some plants, and let's see what else. Yeah, some of them, they want you to pressure wash the rocks, driveways, portion of the house. It's just a number of things right now that's going on. And the time is now to get out there, y'all. I know a lot of y'all leave me comments and all, and say y'all in the lawn care. Well, y'all in a good area right now. I mean, it's a lot of people looking. And if you want to make it, you got to get out there and go get it. And if you see any of my videos of over the years, then you know what I've been doing. I've been out here going and getting it. It ain't coming to me. I'm going to get it. That's right. You gotta be a go-getter. Go get it. Don't wait around, because if you're waiting around, sitting around, looking around, and ain't nothing happening for you, that's your own fault, because you're not getting out, moving around to get around, to get something, to make it happen. I mean, you can sit at home, sit in a chair, play on your phone. That ain't gonna get it. That ain't gonna get it. It ain't gonna get it. The only thing gonna get it is you getting up and going get it. That's what I want to say. Get up and go get it. Don't sit around now, because it's gonna be another day tomorrow. Tomorrow gonna be Thursday, then Thursday gonna pass, and then Friday gonna come, and then Saturday gonna come, and Sunday, and then it starts all over again. And then when you look around, it's gonna be, well, oh, I didn't do nothing. And that's why come things ain't happening for you. Anyway, y'all, let me jump down here. I need to check on a few things here. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, this is another one. We just finished it up. Got a little rain on us, but we're able to get in here and get this one all taken care of. So finna head off and see if I can get another one here. Got that one off the list. So let's see what else I can get finished up today. Stay tuned, y'all. I gotta keep moving. Okay, everyone, got another one. Another property we just showed up and finna start working on it. Let's take a look at it. Okay, this here's the way this here property look. You can see it just needs some love, and we're finna give it some. We're gonna get it all cleaned up. We got Cody already started on it. So this one is gonna require a lot of work. So here, this is the way it's. You can see the way everything is looking here. So we'll get this out cleaned up, get this front looking good. And let's see, come on the side, and let's take this back here in the back. See all of this back here. Got to get this here out looking good. So it's just going to take a little time. Just looking at it. It's a big yard in the back, as you can see. It's got a lot of, well, just weeds. Yeah, this one is a big one. It's a big backyard, so let's see if we can get in here and let's get this here all edged up. I'm just walking over the property, giving y'all a view of what we're gonna tackle on this one right here. So it's gonna take a little time here. So hopefully we can get it looking good. Yeah, these kind of lawns. Oh boy. Yeah. A lot of weeds. So just giving y'all a quick view of the way the property looks. So this is a before, and I'm gonna give y'all an after once we get this here all finished. I don't know if we're gonna finish up today because they want to get do power wash the driveways, sidewalks, and all of that. So we'll come through. There's a lot of other stuff on it. But stay tuned, y'all. Stay tuned. Let me get jumping here and get this.